Can we hide followers and following list on Twitter? Hello everybody, in this video we are going to find out, so let's just start. For that you may open up your Twitter app first, and then once you open up Twitter you should be finding this interface. Now from here what you can do is, you may head over to profile in the top left, and this opens up. Now from here head over to settings and support, and tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on it, you will be led towards another page. So from here, you will be finding different options like your account and everything. So if you're trying to hide your follows and following list on Twitter, as of now, Twitter has not set up a default setting for that. So what you can do instead is you can set your account to private, which will hide your list from anyone who isn't already following you. So for that, you may head over to the option called privacy and safety from your settings. And after here, you will be finding audience and tagging. You may go ahead and tap on that option first. And here you will be finding option called protect your post and protect your videos. So all you gotta do is you need to toggle off on this option. And once you do, this option will make your account private, meaning only your followers will be able to see your tweets, and your followers and following list will be hidden from those who don't follow you. So this is it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.